Assalamu alaikum.
Where are you from?
Holland.
Ireland.
Holland.
Okay.
Yes. Very long day. Long day.
Take a step. How many people? Take a step. Focus on it. How many people?
Me one.
One.
Yeah. One.
Stay. Come. Going. You stay here.
I stay in Bisham.
In Bisham in hotel.
Paradise. Hotel Paradise.
Paradise.
I know. It's 6.5 kilometers. Is right here. No wait. Here.
बस ठीक है.
No problem. I go. Very tired. 10 hours and 50 minutes ride today.
Yes. Tired.
Yeah.
هذا أيرلندا وتقريبا
From Islamabad. 268 kilometers.
Hello,
Islamabad.
You from?
Holland. Holland.
Not allowed. Paradise Hotel.
Yes, it's allowed.
Allowed Hilton in Ramada. You stay in hotel or Hilton Hotel or Ramada Hotel. No security. Not allowed in other hotel. Paradise. Okay. Left. Okay.
Hilton.
Hotel, na. Bahari Hotel. Bisham.
But where is Hilton Hotel?
Passport. I'm not understand. You from? What you say? Are you from?
Holland.
Hong Kong.
Holland.
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 Netherlands.
Okay.
Yes.
You alone?
Yeah. Good are you?
Visa.
It's stamp.
You come alone?
Yeah.
Why? You have no husband?
No need.
No need. You have no marriage. How old are you? Your age? Say how old? Your age? How many years old?
37. 37.
37? And you have no marriage? Still not married?
Is this police question?
Yes. No.